And if you listen carefully, you can hear the foghorn in the background. So here we are, all planted. I've got green and purple kale and my secret weapon against mice. After 8 mint. I'm told they do not like the smell of mint, so we're gonna find out. And if it turns into a weed, well, it's on an island. A weed can only go so far. And my bird of the day is a razorbill. This father razorbill is bringing a fish to its chick. The chick at this age can't fly and it can't dive, and so it's reliant on its father to feed it and take care of it. They stay right together until the chick is old enough to be on its own.